Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use image upscaler in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva, you can download it for free, install in your system. And here, don't forget to sign in. If you don't have one, please sign up. Next, you can click on apps or apps feature and try to find staff favorites from 2024. So now you can try to search the image upscaler, this one, created by this user. I can read it. A1D.ai, increase image resolution and enhance with AI. Let's start by click use in new design, choose your canvas. So here you can upload or select an image into your design. Please choose file maximum size about 2500 pixels or 5 megabyte, and accepted file format JPEG, JPG, PNG and WEBP. So let's start with this woman. And click upscale, and here we go. This is the before and this is the after, so you can add to design. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.